Puppy, come here. Come on, go there. Okay, this for Puppy. And for Bella. Puppy, you waited for Grandma and Grandpa? Is it yummy, Puppy? Yummy treats. Okay, I'm gonna go home. Hi, Bella. Yummy treats, huh? Good girl. You deserve a treat because you're a good girl. Yeah?